If you're wondering how to onboard new subscribers with a welcome series in the fastest, most effective way possible, you're in the right place. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through a simple but powerful process to turn new email subscribers into loyal fans without wasting time or overcomplicating it. Stick with me till the end because I'll show you how to do it step by step using software that I personally tested across the most popular platforms. And I'll even give you access to an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. The goal of a welcome series is simple: build trust, deliver value, and guide your subscribers to take action. Here's how to do that in just a few emails. Start with your first email. This one should go out immediately after someone joins your list. Keep it friendly, thank them for subscribing, and let them know what kind of content or value they can expect from you. If you promise them a lead magnet or download, deliver it here. And most importantly, set expectations. Tell them how often they'll hear from you and why they should stick around. Email 2 should go out a day or two later. This is your value bomb. Share something helpful, actionable, or even surprising. The goal here is to give them a quick win that builds credibility and makes them want to hear more from you. Don't sell anything yet, just serve. Email 3 is where you introduce your story or mission. Let them know who you are, why you do what you do, and how you help people like them. Keep it short but personal. This builds connection, and connection builds conversion later. Email 4 is your pivot point. Here's where you softly introduce a product, service, or a next step. Maybe it's to join your Facebook group, check out your best content, or reply with a question. This call to action should be clear, but not pushy. If you're using the software we're working with today, setting up this flow is fast. You just create your email series, set the delays between each one, like one day after the last, and turn on automation. The software we're using is super intuitive, and I've linked an exclusive free trial for it in the description so you can follow along and build your welcome series as you watch this video. Optional, but highly recommended, add simple tags or segments to track who opens, clicks, or replies. That lets you refine your series over time or send different content based on behavior without getting technical. Now here's the key takeaway. Your welcome series is not about you. It's about guiding new subscribers from interest to trust, one email at a time. The right message at the right time builds momentum, and momentum is what drives engagement and sales. Let's quickly recap. First, send a warm welcome and set expectations. Second, deliver a valuable tip or quick win. Third, share your story and mission. Fourth, invite them to take the next small step. And if your email software lets you, track their engagement for smarter follow-ups. Before you go, don't forget, the exclusive free trial to the software I recommend is in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it while it's still up. Thanks for watching. Keep things simple, serve first, and watch what happens.